How to wipe cache partition on OnePlus 13S. The OnePlus 13s, like many recent OnePlus devices, does not include a wipe cache partition option in its recovery mode. This change is due to the adoption of the A/B partition system for seamless updates, which eliminates the need for a separate cache partition. Alternative methods to clear cache. Method 1. Clear app cache individually. Step 1. Navigate to Settings, Apps, and Notifications. See all apps. Step 2. Select the desired app. Step 3. Tap on Storage and Cache. Then choose Clear Cache. Method 2. Use built-in storage cleaner. Step 1. Open the Phone Manager or Device Care app. Step 2. Use the storage cleaner feature to remove junk files and cached data.